I love unboxing day. It's just so much fun. Quince sent me quite a few pieces and I'm just so excited to see what they sent. I'm a huge Quince fan. I've been a Quince fan for many, many years now, and I just get to keep collecting really amazing timeless pieces to my wardrobe, especially travel pieces that are easy to take with me and nice to wear at home and are great transitional pieces. So let's get started. One of the pieces they sent me, and I was very excited about this one, is this amazing cardigan. Look how beautiful this is. It's a really nice, beautiful color. So I think this is, what color is this? Cement marl. Cement marl. Yes. So it's the 100% organic cotton women's cropped cardigan in cement marl. And this is a size small. I'm usually a size small in Quince, just all across the board. And I really love this because you can just wear this and have it match with everything. I love the detailing on the buttons as well. They're really big buttons and it's just really pretty, like a mixed tortoise color. And this matches with everything I have. I'm a very neutral color type of person. So this is a great, great piece. Wonder what else they sent. So the next piece that they sent me is part of their silk collection. And I already have a few silk pieces from them because I think it's just such a great value for the price. This is the washable stretch silk midi shirt dress in navy and also a small. So the reason why I really wanted this piece was specifically for travel. I like to bring with me something that looks really nice that you can dress up or dress down, but specifically dress up if you're going to a nicer event or a really nice dinner and you know you're going to be attending that. Especially during travel, I always bring one very, very nice dress with me. But the thing about travel is you don't want to bring something that is inconvenient, especially when it comes to terms to packing in a very minimalist way. So I have found that the best fabric to bring is a washable silk. So this is the beautiful silk dress. I'll be showing it while I have it on as well too. But a silk fabric dress that honestly packs into nothing. It's so compact and tiny. And this one is washable. So I can either throw it in the machine or I can also hand wash it, which provides a lot of versatility, especially when traveling. And I love navy color because it goes well with my skin tone. Sometimes when I wear black, it's a little bit drastic, but since I have brown hair, navy goes really nicely sometimes. And what I love about this is that it covers the shoulder. So if I'm going to somewhere more conservative, especially when traveling, I've gone to temples, I've gone to churches, you do have to cover your shoulders sometimes. And religious sites ask you to cover your shoulders. But also, this is an amazing length. This goes beyond my knees so that your knees are covered. And I feel like that covers all the bases that you need when traveling and going to more modest locations. 14 karat rose gold diamond bar necklace. And I am so, so excited about it because I collect rose gold. It goes well with my skin tone. My earrings are rose gold. My ring is rose gold. My watch, pretty much everything is rose gold. And I love that, that finish. It's just so beautiful. It just really goes well with my complexion, but it's very hard to find rose gold pieces. So I'm excited for Quince to continue adding on to their jewelry line. But look at that presentation. It's so, so beautiful. It shows how to care for it, how to store it, how to clean it. And this is what it looks like right there. It's really beautiful. It's dainty. It's very shiny and shimmery in person. And I can't wait to show it to you once I have it on as well. Okay, so I'll be going through my favorite Quince pieces with you. And I'll be linking everything, of course, in the description down below. That way you can see for yourself on their website anything you would like to get, or just see all their amazing values, the fabrics that they use, and the best part, their amazing prices too. So starting off with one of my favorite things, one of my favorite travel items is their linen pajamas. Now this came as a set with a pair of shorts, And I believe you can get them in pants as well. And there's pockets in the shorts, which makes it really, really convenient to carry around things. And they're so comfortable. And I love how breathable they are. I take them with me traveling, especially if I'm going to a hot destination. So this is the linen blouse, and it's a button down, which is really convenient for different reasons. But the reason why I like button downs a lot, as you can see, is because it's great for nursing. If you are a mom, it's easy access, but also it's great if you also have a disability and you need to actually put one arm in at a time instead of slipping something over your head, which is something somebody made a comment about on one of my videos. They said, oh, these clothing, which are button downs, are great for people with disabilities, which I never thought about that before. So for many different reasons, button downs are a great way to go. This linen set keeps you nice and cool, and it's my favorite travel pajama when going to hot destinations. Next up in their linen lineup is also one of my favorite Quince dresses. This is their linen dress. It's really nice, also a button down, and I love the detailing that it has in the front as well, so you can see right over here. It's just really nice. I don't know if it's called pin tuck detailing, but it adds some texture, and also the back has it going down the back. And this dress is perfect length for me. It reaches right above my knee, and it has really deep pockets as well. So this is easy to dress up or down, and it makes for really great travel clothing, keeps you nice and cool. These are the linen pants. This is one of their best sellers, actually. As you can see, I love neutral colors. And these linen pants also have pockets right over here and one in the back as well. And they're just so comfortable to just throw on. They're breathable, they're lightweight, and they keep you really nice and cool during hot weather. They have a very stretchy waistband, as you can see right over here. They also have belt loops in case you need them, but I've never had to use them unless it's for decorative purposes. So these are their linen pants. In their cotton gauze line, here is one of the blouses that I have acquired. This is very nice cotton gauze shirt or blouse, and it's also a button down. It's really nice coverage for the sleeves, for the shoulders. It's not too short where it ends at a very awkward space, and it has a split hemline as well too. It's just very breezy, very good item for summer, but also it's a great transitional item as well too for different seasons. Bamboo jersey fabrics. I think this is just a bamboo, really nice smooth fabric that is just, oh my goodness, it's buttery, it's smooth, and it's very comfortable with the skin. And I love the neckline. It was kind of like a semi-boat neckline, and it's just so comfortable. The sleeves are bigger at the shoulders, and then they kind of slim down towards the wrist. So I really love this fabric, and it's very nice and thin in a way that you can just layer, and very comfortable. So this would be such a great top for going on an airplane, because I tend to sweat a lot, and this will keep me nice and cool and dry, especially comfortable. Part of their performance line, so I've really enjoyed wearing this. I like kind of like looser tops that I can take traveling with me, and this I believe has some thumb holes on the sleeves, because again, it's part of their activewear, and it's very comfy. I think this is made with recycled materials, and it wicks moisture very, very quickly as well from the body. So very, very comfy, and just a great layering piece as well. Focusing on their outerwear and sweaters, I have this amazing sweater that I've had for some time. It's an alpaca and wool sweater. This is from Quince. I got it in size small. I'm size small across pretty much everything unless something is oversized. But this is such a beautiful cardigan sweater, another button down. I've had this for many years now. I love the sleeves because it's a little bit of a bell sleeve. And it's just so comfortable, and it's deceiving how warm you can be in this. Like, it's just a very nice sweater, and it looks like a very casual sweater, but the warmth factor is incredible. So I've been to very cold destinations and I've had this on, and it's very insulating. So this is one of my staple pieces, something I've had for a very long time. I absolutely love this sweater. This is a 100% cashmere lovely sweater, and this one is a little bit thinner, but it also has amazing insulating features. And it's just really beautiful because it's a sweater that you can kind of dress up or down, but it's a little bit on the fancier side. Beautiful neckline details as well. And this goes really nicely with a dress or even a skirt too. So you can't go wrong with cashmere. Along with jacket weather or sweater weather, everyone has a great piece of flannel, and I really love this one because this one, which I acquired I think over 2 years ago, I wasn't sure if it was going to be kind of on the itchier side or too thick or too warm. I wasn't sure how it was going to be, but I love this one because it always seems to just thermoregulate my temperature. First of all, I love the pattern. It's just beautiful. It's very light, very aesthetic. Well, according to my aesthetic at least, very neutral, because a lot of the flannel jackets that I see have very dark types of patterns and usually very dark colors. So this is one of the only ones that I've seen in a very light color. And it just keeps you warm but not overheated. I love the inside because the inside is a very comfortable texture, and even if you just wear this, you'll feel not very itchy at all. It just feels like you're wearing a thicker shirt, but it's just really nice as a layering piece as well. Thank you so much, explorers, for joining me on another unboxing, try on, review video. And thank you so much to Quince. It's been a dream to work with you on this amazing collaboration. It is honestly my dream company, and I am so excited to finally be able to do this. I love all the pieces that I've ever gotten from Quince. I really, truly, truly do. And I can't even speak. I'm just so excited. But I love everything I've ever gotten, and thank you so much for sending me even more pieces that will be staple pieces in my travel wardrobe and so much more. So thank you again for watching this video, and I hope that you get to see all my other travel packing videos in my channel. Thank you so much, explorers, and see you soon.